Here's a little demonstration to see what you will learn in the weeks to come. This is MetaTrader 4. This is the platform that you'll be using. With this platform, I can pull out charts, see data. I can trade manually and automatically, but we are more interested in the latter. Using this platform, I can code robots. My IDE will be MetaEditor. Here is where you will spend most of your time. In this space, we will be coding our robots. Let's pull out one example. What you're looking here is one of the robots called Belinda. You'll be building this robot in chapter 9. It may seem a bit daunting at first, but we will bring you through step by step on how to build this robot. Here is an example on how to run it. Now I'm going to test this robot on the US dollar, Japanese yen currency. What you are seeing here is me testing the robot. The arrows on the charts, the blue and red lines are my long trades and short trades. You can see the type of results, the trades that are happening right now. How much our account is worth. I'm going to fast forward this. So we made 39% from 2012 March to 2014 March. Not too shabby. We are able to look at the report in a more concise way. I'm going to save this as Belinda. And we can save our reports in the HTML file. So we have statistics like gross profit, gross loss, what's our largest profit per trade, our equity curve, we started off at 10,000, our list of trades, and once we have this, we will use other tools to analyze the report in a more efficient and useful manner. So this is one of the tools we are using. Third-party software. I have uploaded our robot Belinda that was tested on 4 different currencies and analyzing them together. So this can be viewed as a portfolio of 4 different strategies running together at the same time. Analyze them. We have some statistics here. Average return per year 50.8%. Not too bad. Maximum drawdown 41%. That's not very good. And a list of other performance parameters. You can see our profit and drawdown in a table form. Equity curve. Red represents a combined curve. The other colors represent the individual strategies. Our drawdowns, profits, per month, per year. Distribution of returns, such as SD, variance, skew and kurtosis, etc. In addition to this, we will also have tools such as Monte Carlo analysis software, where we can use it to find our worst case scenario and to develop better risk management and money management strategies. In this course, all the software and data that we use are all free. Each one of you will also be guided on how to create a free demo account to be used during the course. You will be provided with virtual money, of which you can use to design test, and build your robots.